Hey, everybody, welcome to everybody, welcome to Option Pit. This is your home for options, education, and volatility trading. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com. How are you? I definitely was not playing in the NC2A tournament. There's no chance that they have old guys at that tournament. No chance. Embrace the SPX Schizophrenia Friday morning. Huge term structure. And still, yeah, we're getting a little markup in VIX today. But it's not going away anytime soon. We'll revisit Netflix in a second. It's just something for the chat. But, you know, you got a little rally in SPY today. You got a little rally in VIX due to the weekend effect, about normal. You have the vol products softening, but not to their lows of Friday. Okay, let's look at a quick chart here. And let's pull up, let's say, a VXX or UVXY. We're not getting the lows. Okay, so what I want to see is I want to see these products start to tank for the market to start to resume again, any kind of rally. We have not quite got that yet. Just simple enough. So there's a lot of premium built in the futures. Basically, to me, that means they don't think the 13 handle is going to hold. So we could see, like the blog, more back and forth, right? Probably makes some of the downside of the volatility products interesting sales, like below the markets, put time spread, stuff like that. We can look at that in our Option Pit chat today. But as far as, oil doing okay, the euro seems to have bounced after, getting tatered pretty hard. So it's made a power move here. The thing is how long it lasts, I have no idea. Okay, but it seems like it's not able to climb past these levels that we're seeing. If we look at the 5-day chart here, we're just looking at the FXE instead of the euro contract. It's getting up here. There we go. Rallying euro, though, that I would guess, right, they're liking it. Right? Maybe if they don't. But we're starting to see some levels we haven't seen in a little while, at least. So this might be the dead cat bounce. But I think the euro not going straight down is generally pretty good for our equity market. Right? Those one-way directions have been killer. Exactly. We'll see what happens. But, when oil was going straight down, very unstabilizing for stocks. When the euro is going straight down, destabilizing for stocks, bad for U.S. earnings because of the strong dollar and all that stuff. So we sit here now, and in order for me to believe a kind of getting to sort of some vol lows like a 12 handle in the VIX, we need to see these things stabilize. Right? If they do, vol can get lower. If not, we're going to see more of the up and down, 1% up, 1% down routine we've seen for a while. It's kind of the tail that we have because we have seen no real clear trend develop. Okay. Although this was a pretty good trend, right? But again, for us to see lower levels to really grab some future decay, we need to start, we need to break the 25 handle for this product for volatility to just start falling apart a little bit. But the premium is still there. So the market is, we'll just call it tacit. They are tacitly on board, but not fully on board. All right. The study, I believe, for UVXY was our resident Professor Ray. I guess we could call him Dr. Ray. I think he's a PhD. And I'll try to get more of those up in the chat today. Right? It's good to have a doctor in the house. I don't think we've ever had a doctor of volatility before. That's right. At Option Pit, we have real PhDs in our chat room. There you go. All right, everybody, have a good day. We will start the chat at 8:15. Mark will be in for the pit report. Okay, and I'll start and I'll post some of those studies as well. He sent them to me. All right, everybody, have a good day. If you have questions, you want to learn more about volatility, we had a great webinar on Thursday night with Steve Bigelow's Candlestick Room. Huge attendance for us, so it was successful. If you have questions about that, getting copies of that, let me know. All right, Andrew at OptionPit.com, and we look forward to hearing from you real soon. And our Option Pit store is going to be opening very, very soon, meaning if you just want to download like one-off videos and instructional stuff, you know, one video at a time or something like that, we're going to make it flexible and easy for people to do it. So anyway, again, send me a note at Andrew at OptionPit.com if you have any questions. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.